Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more of the soybean harvest. Y'all seen that last video. We did some of that soybean harvest back here in this backfield. We also did finish this field. I haven't moved the harvester or the grain cart over yet. Y'all also seen that we sold some cows last video for sold 5 steer for $9,800, I believe. Cattle trailer store here. I still haven't went and bought some cows yet. I'm gonna go buy probably 5 more for making that steer pen over here. I believe that's all I did last video. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go over here, move the grain cart and the tractor and the combine over to the next field. Then we'll get that field going. Then we'll probably start probably around December or something when it gets close to snow and Christmas. Probably start cultivating up these fields. Let them get, all naturally fertilized and all that good little stuff. And then we'll throw some manure on it. Throw some pesticides and good stuff on there. Let's go ahead and get this harvester emptied out real quick. And then we will we'll go down the road and switch the fields. Alright, we got it empty. Let's get rolling. Nothing coming either way, we're good to roll. Put her in road gear. Get on with it. Alright, here's our next field we gotta do. Probably start out the headline real quick, just by, starting out. We'll go ahead and start our worker here. Get him going. We got that going. Now we'll go ahead and grab this cart over here. Nobody coming. Get this tractor down the road, and we'll go get some more cows real quick. Put them in the pen, and we'll finish this soybean harvest. Alright, let's get this tractor over here in this field. I should probably go check the prices too on some of the prices on soybeans and corn right now, because I have almost 5,000 bushel of corn in the bins over here. I think, I'm sure I'm gonna check. I have almost 4,000 bushels of corn. 15% moisture in the corn in bin 1 and bin 2. Soybean, I have 97 bushels. And I have 13% moisture, so it's not good. Steer pen looking pretty good. Still at 20 months. Calving pen. All the calves are at 0.5 or 0.6 months old. And then the cows are almost 50 months old with 1,400 pounds. So I don't think I can sell the calves yet, but I'll probably wait till they get about 50 pounds before I sell them. And I'll sell these. I'll just sell the cows when these get 50 months old. I'll sell these. Or no, when these get like 40 months old, I'll sell the big cows. Yeah. So they're gonna need more feed a little bit. Okay. go buy some more cows real quick so we can get some more money. Or actually, should I buy... I could save up and get 117,000 by that field, or should I do 77,000 by that field? Or 108,000 by that, or 148 by that, or 121 and buy that big field. I don't know. I kind of want this big field, but I don't have enough money for that one. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm probably just gonna. That one's only 20,000. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I kind of want to buy just like a small field. 40,000. This one's 19,000. One's a little ways from home though. I don't know if I want to go that far away just to harvest. I don't know. Let's just go pick up some more cows real quick, and then we'll get her all figured out. Before we go pick up cows, we're gonna move this tractor out of there so this truck or this combine can get there. Because it's currently wanting to be ridiculous right now. Okay, actually I might just, yeah, I'm gonna move the tractor. I don't feel like moving the combine around. Just put the tractor in the ditch for now. That should work. Yeah, that works. Alright. Let's go pick up some more cattle. So we'll get in the truck and I'll pick you up when we get closer to the cattle place. Well, I was gonna go pick up the cattle, but instead I got a little bit hungry, so I went to the local Mexican restaurant for a little snack real quick, and now I'm gonna head over to the cattle place. So I'm gonna head over there real quick. It's not too far away, maybe, I don't know, a couple minutes, not too far. See if we can get out of this little death trap real quick. I think we're out of it, yeah. Alright, we're pulling up to the stockyard. Go ahead and buy probably, I'm gonna say 5 more cattle because that's what I sold to get 9,000. So I kind of want to make my money back. I don't know. Let's see how much 5 feeder cow. Wait, did I buy feeders or what did I buy? I think I bought feeders. So let's go 5 of these. 5 of these cost 5,000. So I could buy 10 for 10,000 and get more. I think that's what I'm gonna do actually, because I can sell 5 of them and get 9,000. So if I sold 15 cows, my calculation says that's a lot of money. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so we have 10 cows. Oh my gosh, my truck is squatted. I guess 10 cows doesn't do much weight. I don't know. Looks like we're doing good so far. I'm not gonna get over probably over 30 right now because I got a weighted down truck. I'm gonna speed up on this hill. The truck is a struggle, but we're pulling it so far. I feel like it's done pretty good. Put her in road gear, and I probably ain't gonna be able to stop down here, but it'll be alright. It actually stopped a lot easier than I thought it would, actually. So, we have to do this field right here, and this field is ours. This field is ours. I was gonna buy this one right in front of me, but it's 77,000. I don't know. I don't know if that field will be worth it, because that's not really that big of a field. I mean, it's a pretty big field, but like, you know. Okay, let's go get these cows put in the pen right quick. Alright. Now we got our little cows in here. We got 15 cows. Alright. It's time to go park this trailer now because, well, we don't need this trailer now. Alright, now we get all this unhooked. We're gonna hook this fuel trailer up. Take her over to the field just in case we need fuel for anything. Actually, I'll probably just leave my truck over here attached to all this. Park the lock right there. Because this trailer has oil filters and air filters and oil and everything in the flipping world in here just in case anything break down. Just to make sure. I don't know if I should go ahead and do that or not. I think I'm just gonna leave it till it's completely full. So yeah, that's done. On the second field of soybean harvest. So right now, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. Probably start cultivating. And I could cultivate, and then I could probably spread manure on it. Get that done with. Well, that's probably gonna be for another video, but I won't get all that done in this video. Only have 6 more minutes left, so what can I do? Let's see. I could. I could go buy that field. Do I really want to buy that field? Yes. But I don't. Y'all put in the comments if I should buy that field or not. It's 77.7, I think, and I have 84.4. I don't know. Let's see y'all think. See what y'all think about it. If y'all think I should buy it, I'll buy it. But I don't know if I should buy it yet or not. So I'm not going to. I'm going to wait and let y'all choose. Alright, when this harvester gets full, I'm going to unload it. And then we're going to take it to the bin and turn the old dryer on. So everything gets all nice and toasty and dry and warm and yeah. Alright, now we got that unloaded. The combine's trying to run over me. That's not very good. I have to fire that combine person. That'd be alright though, we can just get another one. Okay, the combine's getting to work. They're putting me to work. Or it, actually. Yeah. Here and put this. Okay, well, I'm gonna hit every freaking tractor I got. Put this in the grain bin. Daggone. Everything's just going wrong. Laggy, messy, running over everything, hitting everything. But guys, I'll pick you up when I get back over here to the field and get the combine loaded. Well guys, this is probably going to be the end of this video. This will be part 2 for soybean harvest and cattle. There definitely will be more to come. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, what y'all like, what y'all want to see me do. So yeah, see y'all later. Peace.